In this video, you will learn what is type conversion and understand automatic type conversion in C++. What is type conversion? Type conversion means conversion of data from one data type to another data type. For example, integer value 2 can be converted to float value 2.0 using type conversion. Similarly, float value 97.0 can be converted to integer value 97, which can then be converted to character value small a using type conversion. In C++, type conversion can be done by two ways: automatic conversion and typecasting. In this video, I will talk about automatic conversion. Automatic conversion, as the name says, is the process of conversion of data from one data type to another automatically. This type of conversion is automatically done by C++ compiler. In C++, if we have a mixed mode expression, that is, an expression consisting of different data types, then C++ compiler will automatically convert lower data type variable to the data type of higher data type variable. I will repeat this. If we have a mixed mode expression, that is, an expression consisting of different data types, then C++ compiler will automatically convert lower data type variable to the data type of higher data type variable. I will explain this statement in detail, but before proceeding ahead, let's first understand what is lower data type and higher data type. Have a look at this diagram. Bool data type is considered lower when compared to char data type. Char data type is lower than short. Short is lower than int data type. Int is lower than long int, and so on. Based on this diagram, long double is higher compared to the other data types listed here. Now that we know which one is lower compared to the other data types, let's understand how automatic conversion works. I will open Visual Studio Code and create a CPP project. I will declare an int variable named I and assign some value to it. I will type int I equals to 10, ending the statement with semicolon. Next, I will declare a float variable f and assign some value to it. Float f equals to 2.23, ending the statement with semicolon. In the next line, I will write a cout statement. Cout within round brackets I plus f, ending the statement with semicolon. Here, I have a mixed mode expression consisting of two different data types, that is, int and float. Int is a lower data type compared to float. Hence, C++ compiler will automatically convert value of I to float and perform addition of converted float value of I and float value of f, that is 10.0 plus 2.23. This cout will display 12.23 on the output screen. I will run the code. If you see here, my C++ compiler performed automatic conversion and displayed the float value on the output screen. Let's try one more thing. By the way, if you are finding value out of this video, could you please support this channel by clicking the like and subscribe button? I will delete these lines of code and declare few variables. Int variable 1 equals to 10, char variable 2 equals to capital A, and int variable 3 followed by semicolon. In the next line, I will type variable 3 equals to variable 1 plus variable 2, ending the statement with semicolon. And I will type cout variable 3, ending the statement with semicolon. Here, I have a mixed mode expression consisting of integer and character data types. In the expression variable 1 plus variable 2, char data type is lower type compared to int. Hence, C++ compiler will convert data of character variable to int. Value capital A will be converted to integer. A character is represented by its ASCII value, which is in integer format. ASCII value of capital A is 65. Hence, C++ compiler will convert capital A to 65 and will perform 10 plus 65. The result value 75 will then be assigned to variable 3. This cout statement will display value 75 on the output screen. I will run the code. If you see here, this program correctly performed automatic conversion and displayed value 75 on the output screen. This is all you need to know about automatic type conversion. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments below. And do not forget to click on the like and subscribe button.